Hello everyone, welcome to today's online class 10 physics. So in the last class we studied about the two phenomena of light, in which I told in light there are two basically main phenomena which are involved. First one is reflection and the second one is refraction. So till now we have learned about reflection of light. We have seen how light reflects when it falls on different types of spherical surfaces. One is a concave mirror and other was convex mirror. So today we will start our next topic, that is refraction of light. Refraction of light means bending of light. Whenever light passes through different transparent medium, the light actually bends. Till now, from your lower studies, from studies of your lower classes, till now you have learned that light travels in a straight line. But when the light travels through different transparent medium, because of the changed density of the molecules, the light actually bends. The best way to visualize or understand this one is if you dip a pencil or a spoon in a glass of water and you look from one of the sides, then you may see or you will see like the spoon or pencil has bent a little. An illustration I have brought in the board, like for example, this is a pencil or any glass rod dipped in a glass of water. So basically, when we look from one of the side, we see like the pencil or the spoon has bended a little. But if we take out the pencil or the spoon, we don't see any such kind of bend or defects or deformities. Basically, this is just due to the bending of light, due to which we see the different position of pencil when the light travels from different medium. Like in this example, you can see this part of the glass is empty. That means it has air. The lower part of the glass has water. So what happens in this case? The light from the pencil has to travel from two different mediums. One medium is air, second one is water, due to which light bends, and this is simply known as refraction. So refraction of light is simply known as bending of light when it travels different transparent medium. So for the bending of light, it is important that the medium should be transparent. If the medium is translucent, then the bending will not be in a proper way, and obviously in the opaque objects the bending will not take place. You may all move to page number 172. There is refraction through glass slab. So the best way to understand bending of light is through a glass slab. So glass slab is actually a small piece of glass. Glass slab is a small rectangular piece of glass, or you can say a cuboidal piece of glass having a definite length, breadth and some height, due to which the light suffers multiple refraction, or sometimes the light suffers a change in its velocity, due to which happens. Now let us see how this takes place or happens. First, when the light is incident on the glass slab, the light comes in a straight line. Any light whichever is incident is always comes in a straight line. So this is the light which is incident on the glass slab. This is our glass slab. Basically, if the glass slab was not there or it has been a clear area or open area, then the light would have traveled straight like this. But since the glass slab is present in the way of light or in the path of light, what happens? The light travels through two different medium. The first medium is air. Actually, since the light is coming from the environment, we can say like this first layer is the layer of air. Since it is an open area, it is air. This is our glass slab. The second layer is our glass slab. So what happens? As the light enters from air into the glass slab, the glass has some molecules. Any object is made up of molecules, so does the glass. The glass also have molecules, due to which the molecules try to obstruct or slow down the light. The molecules of glass try to block the light. But since the molecules are transparent, the light can pass through. Due to the slowing down of the speed of light, the light bends a little bit inside the medium. Then again, when the light reaches the other end of the medium, the light again retains its original speed and refracts or passes away like this. I am making the lines straight. This is our original light should pass through like this. If the glass slab was not there, the light would have gone straight like this. But because of the presence of glass slab, the light falls on the glass slab, bends a little bit inside and then bends away again before going out into the atmosphere. So here, this is our incident ray. Right below. This is our incident ray. And this ray, which is bending, as soon as it enters the glass slab, is the refracted ray. And the ray which is finally going out from the glass slab is known as emergent ray. So this is how refraction happens in the glass slab. Now, as we have learned in the mirror part that wherever the light incidents on any surface, in that part we draw a normal to know about the angle of incidence, the angle of refraction or reflection. So here also we do the same thing. The light is incidenting on exactly at this point. So here we will draw a normal to the surface, means this normal will be directly perpendicular to the side of the glass slab. Then if we extend, it will go like this. This is our normal. Okay. The angle between incident ray and the normal is known as angle of incidence. The angle between the normal and this refracted ray is known as angle R. This is angle R. I am rubbing this part so that it's easy for you to visualize. This is R and this is our refracted ray. And now see here, you have to notice one thing very peculiarly here. The light is incidenting here and again the light is going out from here. So in the body of glass slab, there are 2 points where the light is actually hitting or passing through. So here will be our normal number 1 and exactly at this point from where the emergent ray is going out, we have our normal number 2. from normal to this, we will get angle E. So I am writing the angles in this side. Angle I equal to angle of incidence angle R equal to angle of refraction angle E equal to angle of emergence. So the main thing to notice on the glass slab is that incident ray falls at a certain angle. After falling on the first surface of glass slab, the light bends a little bit towards the inside and passes to the other end. From here, the light again bends a little bit to the outside and goes away. So this is actually refraction of light. If you only see the light ray, actually it will look like this. For example, this is our glass slab. The light is coming like this, bending a little bit and going away. Now, if I rub the glass slab, if I move the glass slab, you will see, or we will see, the light actually bending. This is the way, or this is the path of light in which it is traveling through glass slab. And because of this phenomenon, or because of this, we see the pencil or spoon bending inside water. Actually, in reality, the pencil or the spoon is not bending, but due to our persistent vision or due to our vision of the light, we see the pencil or the scale bending or the spoon bending. So this is actually the refraction of light, and the next topics of this will cover in the next class. We will precisely see the refraction through glass slab, and we will learn about the refractive index, means how much the light will bend in different medium. For some glass it may bend more, for water it can bend less, for turpentine, kerosene or alcohol, like those transparent liquids, it can bend some more. So now you read this topic from your book in page number 171. If any doubt arises, feel free to ask. Thank you.